Hey love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today I am looking Afro-licious in this beautiful lace wig. I will be installing her from start to finish, courtesy of Divaswigs. Now you guys know, I always say this, but I love this company. The wig that I've been wearing, truth be told, there's this beautiful straight center part wig that I've literally been wearing since like November. All these videos that I film for you guys, all of these beautiful wigs that I pop in and out of for like 3 days, a week, or however long I stay in a wig, I always go back to this one specific wig, and I just love the way it fits my head. I love the way it washes up. I love the way it's holding up. It's not tangling and shedding, and it comes from Divaswigs. I actually sold it on my wig sale. There was a little bit of a hiccup with the actual sale, so like I had it like washed, packaged and ready to go. It was a hiccup with the sale and I ended up keeping it. I had to wear it on accident and I've been in love with it ever since. So I'm happy to receive another wig from this company. They do provide a little info card in the packaging and it tells you exactly what wig you have. This one here is 16 inches, 150% density. The knots are actually Kamo knots, which are really good. They're going to be very, very easy to conceal. The hairline is an upgraded realistic hairline, so it's going to be nice and plucked and it's just going to look so good. It's going to be easy and very beginner friendly to install. The lace type is invisible Swiss lace, and then it's also transparent lace, suitable for all skin types. Now as far as the parting, you guys can see literally how much parting space you get. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. While my electric hot comb heats up, I'm going to show you guys a look at the inside construction of the cap. Okay, so I went in with the electric hot comb to stamp out the parting. Kind of went along the hairline just a tad bit, not too much. Didn't add any product quite yet, but I just kind of was in my zone trying to decide really what I wanted to do with this wig. So we're going to keep it funky. We're going to keep it beginner friendly. I think I want to do a half up, half down. I think that would go with a vibe. Typically baby hair with this texture of hair is a little bit harder to swoop and all of that, but I kind of feel like baby hair would be a vibe. So let's go ahead and do the install process where we're going to cut off the excess lace. We're going to bond her down, maybe add our powder then, and then we'll come back and style her together. So I went ahead and went and installed my wig. You guys seen I used that Got To Be Glued spray. I kind of feel like that one doesn't have as strong of a hold as my others because my sideburns are already lifting. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off and reinstall these with something else. Probably my bed head. Hate doing steps over, but you know, sometimes that's why you stick to the things that you really like and that you know that works. So let me go ahead and do this off camera and then I'll be back, and then we're going to go ahead and do baby hair and like part it out stuff. Okay, so I'm pleasantly surprised with this one. Sometimes when you get a kinky straight wig and you kind of go through and try to straighten it out, it'll kind of smooth out, but it'll still have the same appearance. Whereas this one actually does do a really nice silk press. I wasn't even expecting it to do this. I just was, you know, going in sections just to see what would happen. But I love this because you get silk press, but you still get natural African American woman texture in a way. So it's gonna help the wig to have a nice, again, pressed, silk pressed look, but look like black girl hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of this off camera just to kind of save you guys the headache. You guys see pretty much what I do. I wasn't planning on going to smaller sections, but you kind of just chase the rat tail comb with the heat, and that'll pretty much give you guys a nice straight flat appearance, very smooth. So let me go ahead and finish the rest of the head and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and took off the elastic band, and this is what the baby hair looked like. Very happy that I decided to get rid of what I had in the front and center. Now it could have been cute, but you know, this just looks a little bit better. Also, as you guys seen, I did go in and straighten the hair. Now that it's straightened, I really do like the press look, and of course it was an experiment, but I'm almost instantly having regret or remorse because I loved how big and fluffy it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and still probably do in half up, half down, just because I keep saying it. It's where my mind is, where my heart is. I keep a huge pack of these for my girls. They have like every bow. I actually think that looks kind of cute. Even with the messy, they're not like the perfect like twist, kind of just more so like pulling the hair back. Also, get a look at the lace. I think the lace looks absolutely beautiful. If I chose not to do anything to it from this point forward, I could live with that and I think it would be okay. But let's go ahead and do the concealer powder trick and see if it will kind of turn it up a notch. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Now I have another look in mind that I was planning on doing for SeaWorld in the morning. Yeah, it's like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to SeaWorld at like 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm crazy, but I really like the way this look. I think this actually is very fitting for, you know, a fun day at SeaWorld with the kids. We are celebrating Cody's birthday all week long. So Monday she had a salon appointment and the, you know, daddy daughter day with her dad. Today she had a mommy day with me and she had her first experience at the hair salon and got her hair braided. Usually I do it. She did amazing for both days. Tomorrow we're going to be doing SeaWorld with her, of course, and all the other kids and our 2 other kids tomorrow. Then the next day after that we are doing California Adventure Disneyland, and then the day after that we are having a birthday celebration for her at home, and then I'm sure on Saturday and Sunday we'll find something to get into to celebrate her even more as she turns 4 years old. As mentioned, this one did come from Divaswigs, and you guys know their logo and packaging. They give us this really nice dust bag to store your wig. They also included a brush, which is always a logo embossed with their logo here, as well as their website. So that's really awesome. As far as the hair itself, I kind of like that it's a natural length. Usually with like a kinky straight texture, I wanted like heavy density, 22 inches and like super full and va-va-voom, but this is a little bit more of a realistic look to kind of not be too offensive and in your face, in a realistic everyday life and setting. Again, I'm going to SeaWorld tomorrow, so 22 inches, 250% density probably isn't necessary or appropriate for the day. This is just giving mom. I can put on some, you know, denim shorts and a cute little top and some flip-flops and be good for the day with the kids. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I have a link to her directly in the description box for you guys to check out, as well as lists and links of everything I used to complete this look. I am Ashley Bedeck if you are tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!